If you are under the age of 18 and are watching this video, please stop now. This content was not intended for you. Hey everybody, it's TMIKA and I am here with some awesome news. Forgive my voice, I am straining through it. I was recently hospitalized for having pneumonia, influenza, and RSV all at the same time. So I'm out. Hospital food is not good over a long term, but so I'll be scream / yelling because I'm trying to get this out. So with any event, I wanted to share with you some good news. I am now a part of Erica, who is Scrap Diva Designs design teams. I'm so excited. I have been slobbering over all of the new stuff that she has out. And I'm so excited to be a part of the team. And I'm proud of Erica. And I'm not just saying this. I'm just glad that one of us is, you know, getting out, being entrepreneur-y. And somebody took that by the reins and is moving forward. So I know I have dreams of making my own dies and my own paper collections and doing all that stuff, but right now is not the time. This is not my season. But for her, I'm happy and I'm proud of her. So it's an honor to be a part of her design team. So I am going to share with you first her 12 by 12 paper pad. Is called Love Struck. It's 24 sheets of double-sided paper. I have only opened this just to confirm, like to tell her that everything is safe, because it came and the package was wet, because why? We live in Minnesota. So I'm excited to see this up close and personal. I have seen the reveals, but everyone talks about how thick the paper is, and I just cannot wait to feel it. So this is the front sheet. Of course, you can always use that for something else as well. And yeah, it's a nice paper. Listen to that. That's heavyweight cardstock. And it has a little bit of a sheen, like a satin finish. It's a gorgeous paper. Girl, this is a pretty paper. As in regards to the design, super cute. There's bears. You Are My Favorite are in these little speech bubbles. And you get 2 of 12, so you get 24. Yeah, sheets. So, and this is the back side of that, the B side. So that's awesome. I'm actually going to turn this over so when I open up the pad, I can kind of already have the front and backs together. Oh, this is cute. These are gumball machines. Really adorable. Super cute. And then on the back side, they're conversation hearts, and they say stay sweet in this pretty pink. Excuse me. Oh, we got some beautiful tags. We can all say thank you to Robert for interrupting my video with a phone call. So I didn't realize I wasn't recording during this part. So what I'm sharing with you are these tags. They're absolutely beautiful. That upper left one that says love is my favorite. Absolutely love that color combo. There's the portraits. You have Granny Valentine. You have XOXO along with the candy machine in the back. You have harps. It's such a pretty tag collection. And then we're going to skip over to me showing you the back. Some type of texture, like texture paper. Super, super cute. All of these options are gorgeous. And then we have like, what is that? Cupid. Yeah, Cupid. And then with the little hearts, lacy hearts all around the side. And the back is Cupid's arrow. How clever. Really, really nice. And then we have a post box and mail, or yeah, post box and letters with the little heart. So pretty. And on the back we have lips sealed with a kiss. Look at the sheen on this paper. You guys can see. I love it. So thick. All right, and then we have postage stamps with an envelope, and then it has the little hearts on the love, and I think this is embossed. If I want to say, is this embossed or is it just hitting the light? No, it's not, but it looks like it. Really cute. That pop of black is adorable. And this is the back, like little sprinkles. Cute. And then we have the candy cart. It has love, and then there's some flower collages there. Really cute, keeping with the theme of pink and red, turquoise. Ooh, look at this shiny black. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I love this page. So cute. So vibrant. Love it. All right. And then we have XOXO. Really nice. And then some hearts on the back. In that mint color, turquoise color. Cute. These are like the flower collages that was on some of the other ones, only larger. You can fussy cut these out if you want. Use them as a front cover, zhuzh it up. On the back, we have solid color roses, or solid color red with like filigree roses on it. Pretty. And we have the lady with the glass of Grandma Valentine with some heart glasses. And she's in like a picture frame. Super cute. And then the back, I love this page. It's so cute. I love these lines. So adorable. That's the back. And then we have gnomes. I love gnomes. Pink and red and white color combo. Polka dots on the background of this paper. And I think these are like suckers, heart suckers in pink. You have a variety of options of colors. If you want to go black, if you want to go mint, if you want to go pink, if you want to go red. I love these. They're too cute. It says too cute. I didn't even see that. Too cute. Love you. Best friends. Stay sweet. Adorable. These are so cute. They are so pretty. And then this black on the back with like lots of floating hearts. I love these. This is the back of that. So that's the paper collection. You saw all of it in all of its glory. Very, very awesome collection. Cannot wait to play with that. Again, that's called Love Struck. Next up, we have some beautiful vellum paper, and this is with the design that has the love and the envelopes, and it's a nice pink vellum. Super pretty. It's 12 by 12. Really cute. Got some ideas for this already. So pretty. And then also have it in the XOXO with the white or the transparent, white transparent background with the vellum. Very heavy vellum. Love it. All right, I have a sticker sheet. This one is called a Valentine Stamp 2025. And it has whisked with love. You hold the key to my heart. Will you be my Valentine? Always and forever. Little Miss Heartbreaker. Love is sweet like cupcakes. Stealing hearts like Cupid. And stealing hearts like... and whatever you want to put down there. Stealing hearts like what whom. So that's really cute. You get your 8 stamps there. Adorable. And I'm going to share with you some foam stickers. All right. These are the 2 pages that you get. How cute are they? How adorable. This one's cute. You get some speech bubbles. Galentine, be mine. Stay sweet, love. That too cute that I love. You have this telephone. So cute. Conversation hearts. You get little people, a little car. How cute are these foam stickers and how thick they are. Very thick. Nice. Popped up. Look at these 2 little bears. So adorable. So, so pretty. Love these. And then we have some chipboard stickers. Excuse me. I'm going to take them out of the package here. You guys can see them. Without the glare. How cute. It says post at mid-1. I love this little candy machine. It has a harp, a perfume bottle, Cupid's bow, lips, the conversation hearts, and of course we got some gnomes and the suckers down here. So, so adorable. That's the back. Chipboard, I believe they are adhesive. Yes, adhesive chipboard stickers. So nice and big and thick chipboard stickers. All right, I have an ephemera pack. This is ephemera pack 1 from the collection. I'm going to set them down here so you guys can see. We have portraits of people in there in the view, portraits of people basically. Cute. There's Nanny Valentine again. Cute little frames. Adorable little Cupid envelope. We have XOXO. Love. There's that lacy heart that was in one of the papers. Another love potion bottle. Some lips. The candy machine. Admit one tickets. Stay sweet. These conversation hearts. Love you. Best friend. Too cute. Another Cupid's arrow. I love you. In like an acronym. We got the post box, another picture frame, the harp, and another Cupid's arrow. So cute. You get all of these. These are ephemera pieces on some nice heavy cardstock. So lots of stuff you can do with those. All right. And now I'm going to show you some dies that she sent. This is a paper clip die. It can be a plain paper clip. It could be a shaker paper clip, and you get 3 different sizes, like small, medium, and large. And you get the pieces that you can make the shaker with, which I absolutely love. So that's adorable. So can't wait. Heart-shaped paper clips is the name of that. And I've seen some people do some really nice things with this. So ready to play with that. She also sent heart cherries. That's the name of this particular die set. And these as well can be shakers. And you have the flowers, you have the small, medium, and large double cherries. And then you have the over where you can make the shaker component of that. And then there's, see, there's 1, 2. Oh, this is the back. You have 2. You have the 2. You can make it a tag, like a shaker tag. I think that's what this hole is for. And then the pieces that go on top of it. So pretty. So, so cute. And then we have Valentine words number 3. And I am horrible reading backwards. I think this says Galentine, lots of love, be mine, love you, hot stuff, always and forever. Now I have to see what that last one said. I was on a roll though. You have to admit. Oh, I can't take it out. I don't know why I thought I could look on the back. Ugh. All right, let's see what this one says. Sprinkled. Sprinkled with love. Got it. Took me a bit, but I got it. Sprinkled. All right. So I want to show you why we have this out. You get the words, the letters that go on top. You get a stitch die that covers on top of there. And then you get a base die that goes on top of this. You could essentially, if you want to leave it like that, or you can put it another background behind it. See, how does this go? Yeah, another background behind it as well. So all of these have all 3 of these layers on there. I love the stitch die so much. It adds so much beauty to just that by itself. So really, really cool. And you get all 7 of these dies in this set, which is called Valentine Words number 3. Next, we have this set. This is called Valentine Words 3. And it says, be Cupid, love, friend, mine, kisses, and hugs. And then it comes with these stitched tags. It's 1 piece. And you have a little heart on one of them. You can lay them on top of each other, if you will. But one has a little heart cut out and one doesn't. And all of these, of course, are dies. So you get all 7 of these plus these 2 tags in this set. Valentine word tags. Next, I have the Valentine card mini album. I love this one so much. Oh, it's going to be so adorable. So you have the car base, and then you have the stitch outline of the car window. We have like the headlights and things like that. Some extra hearts. And we have, this says love, like license plates, love. Really, really cool. Just a little steering wheel. That's a cute little windshield. It is so adorable. No way. It's so, so cute. This is so cute. I think this is a smaller one maybe, because we have the small little gadgets here. A little steering wheel and a small little piece here. This may be a twofer one. Oh my gosh. This is cute. I cannot wait to play with this. Yes, honey. Super, super, super cute. Valentine card mini album. Adorable. Next, we have the Heart Bottle Shaker Set. And you've seen this design in her paper collection. The perfume bottle, the potion bottle. But you have your 3 different sizes. And then, of course, you have the cutouts that you can use. And then there's some stitching going on in there. You have your potion label. And it says Love Potion. There's a heart tag that says, that's embossed, Love Potion on there. So cute. So cute. These will make some really cute tags. Beautiful. All right, last but not least, we have the Ticket mini album. And you have your outside die, your main shape die here where you have like the zigzag frame. And then you have an inner piece for another layer, just another layer after layer. Love that. And then you have words with the shadow. You have admit 1. So admit 1, 2 different sizes of that. And then it says kisses and booth. Oh, kissing booth. It says kissing booth. And then you have 2 little hearts on here. How cute. Admit 1 ticket for the kissing booth, boo. Ah, it's so cute. And this is called the Ticket mini album. Almost missed one. We have the Ephemera pack number 2. This was tucked nicely inside the box. So this has boatloads of pieces as well. We have Valentine, Be Mine, another one of those speech bubbles, flower collage, little bear. We have Granny Valentine, a sucker. We have Keith and Derek. We have a picture frame, the cute little bicycle, and the peoples. That's Alice. Here's a little gnome. This says Valentine's Day. It's a little banner. I love these cute little gnomes. Gnome, 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 gnome. We have Aaliyah. There's a phone here. Some more roses. Cute little bouquet of roses. Some sunglasses. And a camera. Another flower. Here's that love card. And that postage stamp. And then we have the little flag here that says love. So this is the Love Struck Ephemera Pack 2. And it almost got away. All right, guys. That wraps up everything that I received from Erica's shop, Scrap Diva Designs. Don't forget to check out her website at scrapdivadesign.com. And also check her out on Instagram, YouTube. And I'm not sure about TikTok because, you know, it's going through a thing right now. But she's on TikTok, or you can email her. And if you purchase anything from her, be sure to tag her on social media and let her know what you thought about her products. All right. I will see you guys in another video, another time. Meanwhile, I'm going to be playing with stuff from Love Struck. All right. If you have a second, take a second and hit that like button. Let me know what you think. And I will see you in the comments. I will see you later. Bye.